Another day, another story. The story of Mercedes-Benz began in 1886, when Karl Benz patented the first internal combustion engine vehicle. In 1926, the company Daimler-Motoren-Gesellschaft, DMG, and Benz Cie merged to become Daimler-Benz AG, and the Mercedes-Benz brand was created. During the 1920s and 1930s, Mercedes-Benz continued to innovate in automotive technology, introducing features such as disc brakes and independent suspensions. The brand has also become associated with luxury and performance, thanks to models such as the Mercedes-Benz 540K and the SSK. During the Second World War, Mercedes-Benz production was redirected to vehicles for the German army. After the war, the company had to rebuild its factories and its reputation. However, Mercedes-Benz quickly regained its prestige thanks to models such as the 300SL Gullwing and 190SL. In the 1960s, Mercedes-Benz continued to innovate in technology, introducing features such as electronic injection and disc brakes at the front. The brand has also become associated with road safety, thanks to features such as power steering and seat belts. During the 1970s and 1980s, Mercedes-Benz continued to develop high-end models, such as the S-Class and the SL Class. The brand has also expanded its range to include more affordable models, such as the C-Class and the E-Class. Since the 1990s, Mercedes-Benz has continued to innovate in technology, introducing features such as ESP, stability control system, and fuel-efficient diesel engines. The brand has also expanded its range to include hybrid and electric models. Today, Mercedes-Benz is considered one of the most prestigious brands in the automotive world. The